What's up, guys? It's your boy F2. I'm here with a brand new weekly outlook for you guys. Pretty much going into the first proper week of January. Hope you guys had a fantastic New Year's. Well, let's get into it. Let's get ready to smash this new year, man. Starting off with DXY. Um, as you can see, price has been trickling down on a weekly time frame. We did tap into our OTE key level, which is a very nice key level that I want to see price reject from. If we can go into the 4 hour to have a better insight on the chart. So, yep, as you can see, price originally tapped into this key level. We had our first initial rejection, and then we came down aggressively. We took these lows, so we turtle sweep the range lows, and then we came back in and closed in on the range at highs. We did fill this gap within the OTE as well, which is an extra added confluence for the key level. And ever since, we've just been respecting bullish arrays, and we've been disrespecting bearish PD arrays, meaning that the order flow has been bullish on DXY. Essentially, going into next week, I want to see us at least, um, I want to, yeah, I want to see us at least take these range highs and see what we do from here. From here, we could potentially reverse, or from here, we could just make more of a continuation and go into a further buy model on DXY. I'm leaning towards taking these highs and going into the sell model more, as seeing as the monthly time frame is more bearish. To be honest, if we look at the monthly chart, we had a very nice liquidity sweep in November, and then December, literally just straight down close candle. We invest a bullish gap on the monthly time frame. So I want to see this inverse fair value gap get held as support. Um, so yeah, once we do take that range high, we would have tapped into at least 50% of this monthly inverse. Hence why I want to see the drop. As soon as we take 99, as soon as we take that 99 level, which is the range high, I want to see the dollar drop, to be honest. I'm still predominantly bearish on the dollar. As you can see, all the flow wise, the dollar has just been bearish. So it would make sense if we come here, take this high total sweep within this daily gap, and then look for a further drop on the dollar. Going into euro, euro is literally the same inverse as the dollar. Um, as you can see, we closed bearish last week on euro. I want to see us come into this weekly gap in euro USD. I want to see us tap into this weekly gap and then go from the sell model into the buy model. So pretty much what we're seeing on DXY, but the inverse. I want to see us take these equal lows and then form the smart money reversal in order to go back into buy side and then look to close in around here for the week. And then maybe the next week after we come and take out the rest of this remaining liquidity. So yeah, next week I'm looking for sells going into buys on the euro. If we look at the pound, it's pretty much the same thing as well. Yeah, the pound is pretty much the same thing as well. However, I just don't want to see the pound take previous week low, to be honest. I want to see weekly take previous week low um, into that weekly gap and then form an SMT. But we could still take previous week low on GU. Price does whatever it wants to do. But we're in this daily gap. And I want us to just see us go from this daily internal um, liquidity, just go back into this external liquidity. As you can see, we just got all smooth highs up here, all equal highs, just big liquidity pools waiting to get taken. Alright, we can now go into gold, which is the final pair that I'm going to be analyzing. Gold, yeah, gold has been alright, to be honest. Yeah, looking at gold, so you can see we broke all-time highs and then instantly rejected back into the range from all-time highs. So that was a huge liquidity trap. A lot of people induced into buyers and instantly got taken out the week after. Um, as you can see with inverses daily gaps, I want to see this gap support us lower on gold till we at least touch this weekly fair value gap on gold. As you can see, if you look zoom into the 4 hour, we've got this weekly fair value gap on gold, a small weekly gap. And from here, I want to see us take these equal lows on a 4 hour at least, and then look again for a smart money reversal within this key level to go from the sell model back into the buy model. However, with gold, this key level is very important. If we do take this, we're looking for it to flip up and go back into buys and follow the high time frame trend. If not, then we can definitely look for lower prices. As you can see, this is all low resistance liquidity. So this is all low resistance liquidity. If gold is really and truly ready to sell from here, we could be seeing price retrace back all the way into this monthly gap down here. As you can see, we did close within this high, so price could be inclined to going down towards this monthly gap before we get another continuation higher. But yep, that's just my analysis for this next week, guys. Hope you guys have a great week, and just remember to stay disciplined and just follow the process, follow your strategy, try not to break your rules. And yep, have a good week, guys.